Greetings, and welcome or welcome back if this is not your first time here to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. Come with me now. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, leave a comment, and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you haven't done it yet, I'm inviting you to click the subscribe button, and you see the little bell beside it and the notification bell that. Just click that bell too, because that way you will get notified every time a new video is posted on this channel. So, yeah man, come with me. We are going to read God Word This.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 10 from verse 34 to verse 42. No matter things say a peace me come for bring upon earth. And a peace me come here for bring. A war. Me come here for turn one boy picnic against him pa. One daughter against her mother. And one daughter-in-law against her mother-in-law. And one man worst enemy I go be part of him own family. Anybody will love them father or mother more than me, no deserve to be me follower. And anybody will love them boy picnic or girl picnic more than me, them not fit to be me follower neither. And anybody will not take up them own a cross and follow me, them not fit to be me follower. Anybody will try save them life, I go lose it. But if you no lose in your life, sake of me, you will get to live forever and ever. Anybody will welcome uno, welcome me. And anybody will welcome me, welcome the one who send me come. Anybody will welcome one prophet. Because they still say, I want prophet that. Then we get the same thing like with the prophet them, I go get. And anybody will welcome somebody will do right in a God's eye. Just because they insist that somebody there do it right in a God's eye, then we get the same thing like with the people them will do right in a God's eye. I go get. And anybody will give one of my humble follower them even one cup of ice water. Because they insist them are my follower. Me are telling you this. I'm not lie. That's somebody there. I go get where them forget. God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.